Hello and welcome to this quick YouTube tutorial on how you can make a custom type to make a data table in Blueprint. You may have found that when you try and make a data table in Blueprint, you get this structure you have to pick from, and there's a drop down with loads of random stuff on that you don't care about. If you want to make a custom structure, the first thing you actually need to do is you need to create a new Blueprint structure in that file path. I'm going to do mine based on generating names, so I'm going to do a name structure. I'm going to open this up, and all I want is a first name of type string, and then I will also do a second name of type string, a last name of type string. Save that. That's my data structure now created. If I go back to here and I try and create a new data table, you can see my name structure is present. I can create a table based on that. Call this name table. I open up this, and now I can add in lots of structures for my first names and last names. So there you go. Simple as that. It was just a quick tutorial because I was struggling to find a resource to do this online and it was driving me mad. So hopefully that has helped you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.